14.
Lesson 14. At the grocer's. Mrs. Ford looked at her shopping list. I want some butter and some cheese, she said, and a packet of biscuits. Is that all, Mrs. Ford? The grocer asked. Mrs. Ford looked at her list again. No, I want some sugar, some flour, and a packet of tea. Sugar, flour, and tea, the grocer said, and put them on the counter. And a tin of tomato soup, Mrs. Ford said. We haven't any tomato soup, the grocer said. What are those tins on that shelf? Mrs. Ford asked. Yes, Mrs. Ford, the grocer asked. They're tins on tomatoes.
Of tomatoes.
Of tomatoes. Do you want a tin? No, thank you. Is that all, Mrs. Ford? Yes, thank you. Please send them to my house. Oh, and I want a dozen eggs too. But don't send them. I'll carry them. We can send the eggs too, the grocer said. No, thank you, Mrs. Ford said. Your new delivery boy is very careless. Last week, he dropped the eggs on my doorstep.
Doorstep.
14. Penjual bahan makanan. Nyonya Ford melihat kepada catatan belanjanya. Saya ingin beberapa mentega dan beberapa keju, dia berkata, dan satu paket biskuit. Hanya itu, Nyonya Ford, penjual bertanya. Nyonya Ford melihat kepada catatannya lagi. Tidak, saya ingin beberapa gula, beberapa tepung, dan satu paket teh. Gula, tepung, dan teh, penjual berkata, dan taruhlah mereka di kasir. Dan satu kaleng sup tomat, Nyonya Ford berkata. Apa yang di kaleng-kaleng itu, di atas rak itu? Nyonya Ford bertanya. Ini, Nyonya Ford, penjual bertanya. Mereka adalah kaleng-kaleng tomat. Apakah Anda ingin satu kaleng? Tidak, terima kasih. Hanya itu, Nyonya Ford? Ya, terima kasih. Tolong kirim mereka ke rumah saya. Oh, dan saya ingin satu rak telur juga, tapi jangan mengirimnya. Saya akan bawanya. Kami dapat mengirim telur-telur juga, penjual berkata. Tidak, terima kasih, Nyonya Ford berkata. Anak lelaki pengantarmu sangat ceroboh. Minggu lalu dia menjatuhkan telur-telur di depan pintu. Answer these questions. A. 1. Did Mrs. Ford look at her shopping list? Yes, she did. 2. Does Mrs. Ford want any butter? Yes, she does. 3. Doesn't she want any cheese? No, she doesn't. 4. Did the grocer put the sugar on the counter? Yes, she did. 5. Doesn't Mrs. Ford want a tin of tomato soup? No, she doesn't. 6. Has the grocer any tomato soup? No, she hasn't. 7. Are there any tins on the shelf? Yes, there are. 8. Do these tins contain tomato soup? No. 9. Don't they contain tomatoes? No, they don't. 10. Will the grocer send the things to Mrs. Ford's house? Yes, he will. 11. Can he send the eggs too? No, he can't. 12. Will he send the eggs? No, he will. 13. Who looked at the shopping list? Mrs. Ford. 14. Who wants some butter and cheese? Mrs. Ford. 15. Who will send the things to Mrs. Ford's house? Grocer. 16. Who will carry the eggs? Mrs. Ford. 17. Who is very careless? Grocer. 18. Did Mrs. Ford look at the shopping list or did the grocer look at it? Mrs. Ford looked at the shopping list. 19. Does Mrs. Ford want some biscuit or some bread? Mrs. Ford wants some biscuit. 20. Does she want a tin of tomato soup or a tin of tomatoes? She wants a tin of tomato soup. 21. Are the tins on the shelf or on the counter?
Laki-laki ko na chore.
The tins are on the counter.
Tahun berapa kak? Hah?
22. Will the grocer send the things or will Mrs. Ford carry them? The grocer will send the things. 23. Will Mrs. Ford take the eggs with her or will the grocer send them? Mrs. Ford take the eggs. 24. Where was Mrs. Ford at the grocer's? 25. What did the grocer put on the counter? Sugar, flour, and cheese. 26. What did Mrs. Ford see on the shelf? Tins.
Wah, katuci ini
27.
Iya, isinya
What
aja.
did the tins contain? Tins of tomatoes. 28. Where will the grocer send the tins?
Tidak, memang karena itu habis mikirnya.
29. Why will Mrs. Ford carry the eggs? Because the milk very careless. Dan Mister.
Ini masih ada tiga apa nih? Kertas kok.